Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. If you want to save money and stop eating fast food burgers, this is an awesome recipe for you. Today we are going to prepare juicy and perfect turkey burger patties. These patties can be stored in the freezer in freezer bags for later. It cuts down on prep time when you're making dinner for the family. This is a quick video, so let's get started. Start by dicing up your vegetables. I have jalapenos, white onions, and chives that I'll be adding in with the ground turkey. These jalapenos should give these turkey patties a spicy flavor, and the onions should also enhance the flavor of the meat as well. Now we can start seasoning our ground turkey. I'm adding in some complete seasoning, smoked paprika, black pepper, sea salt, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and Lowry seasoning. Next, I'm going to pour on my diced vegetables. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs and one beaten egg. Now I'm going to combine these ingredients until everything is well combined. It's not going to hurt to add in a little bit more seasoning, so I'm going to add some more garlic powder, onion powder, and breadcrumbs. And I'm going to combine these ingredients once more to blend in my added seasonings. Next, I'm going to use parchment paper to arrange these ground turkey patties on the paper so it'll be easier to store in the freezer. This bowl of water is to help me form the patties easier so the ground turkey won't stick to my gloves. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, and of course YouTube. So you just want to grab a palmful of ground turkey and just start patting it down. You want to have your patties at least an inch thick. You can cook these patties on the stove, in the oven, or even on the grill, and it still cuts down on prep time. I think making patties to store in the freezer is the best way to go. On one parchment paper, I was able to make 12 patties, and now I'm going to show you how I store them in my freezer bag. The easiest way for me is to cut out a section with 3 patties and slide them into the freezer bags. If there's an easier way to store these patties, then let me know in the comment box below. So far, I was able to store 9 patties in my freezer bag, and now I'm just going to cut out some more parchment paper and place them on top of the patties that's already in the freezer bag. So far, I was able to add 3 more patties on top of the parchment paper, so altogether I have 12 patties in my Ziploc bag. So altogether, I was able to make 24 patties using 2 parchment papers, 12 patties on each paper. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit your notification bell and share my channel with everybody in your contacts. Wait. Let's be more realistic. Just share my channel with at least 1 or 2 people. Bye.